Yamwache mo akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumade yi eso ye de Awurade ase se ode enhya ase na wochi ode abewie efieda ye da na se Badwam dwumade no anana wo hwe no de edu so no ye Badwam kase ensam no ne obetie wo mu bi eni adwadifo ye won kran ena ye de ena de kosi binada ma wo edi dwa wo kwan no ho no obi anso ho ente sa ye de force be yi mo afri ho ye de ho nsam no ebebramo Ghana Yampani John Dramani Mahama so se wobehwe na kwantempo akese no a yenwie ye no omo ebehwe awie no ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook /Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube search Adom TV 2 kwadomonline.com nsem we ne nsem bebre so ewo ho medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said nsem ni chemu ankasa etie Sabeye na traffic enum ni ade nipa de ne ka de ebeba fom kura won kran ne mpota nti Accra Metropolitan Assembly Penny Michael Pakpo Alote ese free ne yade ekosi dabnada 20th May no obi a wote kwan ho mpo ho asema wasesa ne ma ne free ho no mo Sabeye a ekwan mu betie ama obi a nya no ho ente sa wode nhye ene ba betum nyina free ho akase no etwaso
na ye kan ne se wo hwe ya kwan no so a nkofo omuton niama ebi ye Nigeria fo ebi ye omunya begu kwan no so a wo hwe niama amoya emfata na ye ntwe ma bibi nsi se me yo atrance ma obi ewu me ntwe ma ni nsi nti me pa mocho se na ya kan dada wo nkremu no aya kan obrofo no Tuesday yeba abesiesi korum na wa onim se bibia oti no enye no twiwu free wo asayedu wo because me ba since I swear me in me promise bibia me nyeye se journalist for beka me ni omun kasa promise hwe this is the first promise I'm making and promise now me you know I'll stand by it.
Yet also ye Mampani John Dramani Mahama se enche cabinet wono ebeje atumu na fei ya kwan niema hudo bi ewo hono mu a ewo se no edi kan wo ye bibia mu a ye aye friend is a big push infrastructure project na emu ensam no bi ene te se Accra Takrade Accra Kumase Accra Aplawo sa kwan ni nyina wo mo eba be no double na tumi aboa ma eso kono Ayabokama 24 ni ashenkafo.
Cabinet will soon approve priority projects under the Big Push infrastructural program. Understandably, a significant number of these priority projects will be in the road sector. These works include the dualization of major highways, including the Accra-Kumasi, Accra-Takrade, Accra-Aflawo roads. We'll also tackle major bridges such as the Dambai Bridge, the Chiamanfrom Bridge, rehabilitation of the Bupe Bridge, Daboya Bridge, and Yape Bridges. We're also designing a new expressway between Accra and Kumasi, which will reduce the travel time between the two largest cities in Ghana to about 2.5 hours.
Ekasa yemu no wadi to just say wonom ayenhyehyeye adu akire ya contractors a wonom eyi sa kwan nyina no obema wonom akade sebia obetumi ayi wonom adwuma entem.
These roads will not only enhance trade and transport, but they will also stimulate cross-border business and revive economic activity. Equally, we will upgrade roads in the Wa East, Nadoli, Dafema Buse, Isa, and Sisala East districts to improve access to markets, schools, and health facilities. Work will begin very soon. In a few months, you see contractors on all these roads because the money has been provided in the budget.
Adom TV Badwam Kasiana Uguso Sheno na Tantra Hill underpass no ya free Ben and Seni abomo amane said ye hono adwiraguo nom ne ade ene ho hawa e de beja man yakọ ade hye bi akasa fa ho
2 months ni ena me mentam fa ha ba me fa ha na me hu se ade no a start wo the other end ho no ba wo hwe a edwirigu saa no a eno nenam so ma staff ntumi nya kwan twetwa iron rod no nti fini say ekonu nyina ya de a start se anhwe ni ya te say na ha na dwiragu no ama ekwan ne thickness no so ate senke se ka bi pimpa e beto aba beto inner lane ha na bia me gye inner lane nti e be sere mpanyimfo say yehu ya yaka ho asem animanim ya se bibi o ho a e beto na yafa ho a na ya ye ene the other side no so ameka say omayi dade na water west for ere ye servicing eye round we say metal no omayi ama nen nansa ka bi kura ba betom ka betom ma ye nti say no we say the blocks ena egu o say na be obi ba obe say hodom no hole bi da hodom ya James ade ekoso ha no aha ye tantra here
Institution of Engineering and Technology Editor Mampani John Dramani Mahama ni mo say eye board ahodo no ontete ne ntem sebe ya won mo adwuma no on betumi aye ne ntem na abo nso ama ban hyehye nani so de huno no on say tumi aka president de makuo no ye Henry Kojobuaten ono ne de nsemi etudwa
ministries and agencies and departments no as a boss no were in place to take a certain decisions even those appointments no the chief executives and other appointments now I know the as a board no na confirm and some major decisions so as a board no and approval it is a board no where if engineering council for instance before engineer can be licensed no I'm say ERBIS IET and other sister institution GHI you know engineers no examine take them through the appropriate process. After that, they are submitting names to the engineering council. The engineering council is the subcommittee, that the license committee. Normal say they are all qualified and sign a issue license. Board no niwa send you na intimate and koso because there is no committee vet and who apart from the registrar no. Because the minister, no, you can't vet all these things and give approval. So the board must be in place. Into a hardware. It's part of last year. Inaugurate almost submitting didn't call lances no for lances no me because of the change of now they have not been licensed, which is not fair. Because Odipana I go through all the process. Do time my balances no board no. So there's no committee in place to vet and recommend for the council to issue out the license. And spending and still this June we are going to induct a number of engineers as well, engineering practitioners as well, and the board is not in place. Beyond America, say even PPA, which is a very critical yes. Very critical institution.
Kenya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pe ye de asie ye da semre ne adaje a wode ma ye kwaba na ye de bonkrata ne online de no ato aso ye nche